Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a headlight on a Lexus ES 350. First, gather your essential tools: a new headlight bulb, a Phillips head screwdriver, and some protective gloves. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is completely turned off and the engine is cool to the touch. Then, simply open the hood and find the back of the headlight assembly you need to work on. Now let's access the old bulb. Begin by carefully disconnecting the electrical connector from the back of the bulb. You might need to press a small tab to release it. Next, remove any retaining clips or dust covers that are holding the bulb in place. Finally, gently twist or pull the old headlight bulb straight out of its housing. Take your time with this step. Installing the new bulb is straightforward. Remember to handle the new bulb only by its plastic base. Never touch the glass part, as oils from your skin can significantly reduce its lifespan. Carefully insert the new bulb into the headlight housing, ensuring it seats firmly and correctly. Then, reattach any retaining clips or dust covers you removed earlier. You're almost done. Reconnect the electrical connector to the back of your new headlight bulb, ensuring it clicks securely into place. Now, turn on your vehicle's headlights to confirm the new bulb is working correctly and shining brightly. Once you've verified everything, simply close the hood and put away all your tools. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.